Fighting infectious disease during a pandemic in a hospital becomes the challenge of everyone that walks through the door, the employees that work there, and most importantly, the people whose job is to fight infectious disease, the second or third largest department in the hospital, environmental services.
The cleaning of a hospital has always been a challenge in a matter of life and death. And the people that actually clean the hospital, the environmental services department, do have a daily challenge. But the advent of COVID-19 makes it a little bit more challenging. So hospitals are relying a lot more on software and technology to get this job done.
As an EVS department, we make a difference in people's lives. Not only do we help save lives by keeping a safe, clean environment, but we have multiple opportunities to make genuine connections with our patients. We are an integral part of the healing team.
Environmental services consist of doing a lot of different tasks every year. You have to have the right number of people in the right place doing the right thing at the right time. Software makes this much more achievable.
Sean Wright is the CEO of Smart Facility Software. This innovative company develops smart applications to optimize the complex operations for environmental services departments.
Managing work in environmental services isn't just what we have scheduled to get done, it's also things that arise up every day that have to get done. So if there's a problem that needs to be taken care of by environmental services, it's normally not something that can sit and wait. And rapid communication is key. This system helps with that.
Each of our staff carries an iPod, and on that iPod is a list of each of the areas that they clean and the tasks that they perform in those areas. As they clean, they check these tasks off. This ensures that all areas are clean, that they're cleaned properly to ensure that we have a safe environment for our patients. The software has a database. We use mobile devices to collect our data. We use that database to analyze the cleaning results by area, by staff member, and by cleaning step. This helps us to recognize our staff, to coach our staff for continual quality improvement to maintain a clean, safe environment for our patients.
It takes away from that to-do list, makes me able to focus more on our patients and the cleanliness and the safety of our rooms for our patients. And it also allows me to be there when they need us.
Smart Facility Software provides industry-leading solutions for environmental services and infection prevention. Its cloud-based mobile software, ES Optimizer, streamlines hospital environmental services so managers can get the most from their budgets and the best from their team.
Any database application, the problem with using it is getting the data in and out of the database. These apps allow employees and managers and anybody with a smartphone to interact with the database and get the data in there. Here's what needs to be done. Here's what we did do. Here's what we're going to do. All of that information needs to be moved in and out of a database, and these apps make that very simple and very easy.
To provide an infection-free environment, thousands of tasks have to be performed every day. The software has a database which houses all of the areas that need to be cleaned and all of the tasks that need to be performed in these areas. It helps us create achievable work assignments for our staff. When our staff knows exactly what to do, it frees them up to make genuine connections with the patients.
Smart Facility Software is revolutionizing clean in hundreds of healthcare facilities nationwide.
Our app does have QR technology, and what that means is anyone that has a smartphone can scan the QR code and a menu appears. For example, if you're going into a restroom and you're out of paper towels, you can just scan that QR code and a message is sent to the environmental services person, and that is done in real time with our technology.
I like this software because it tells me where I need to be. I work in different areas every day, so this software helps me by saving time, by showing me and telling me where I need to go and what I'm supposed to be doing.
To find out more about effective management software for environmental services, go to smartfacilitysoftware.com.